Bitcoin is still hovering around the 28,000. I remain bearish. I don't want to buy because the seasonal pattern is coming to the end. So let's find out what my plan is this week. Okay, this is the Bitcoin chart, but before I talk about this, I want to show you a seasonal pattern chart from my good friends Mark at mayclear.com. I kept saying that this year 2023 is like the behavior of 2019. So in here on the custom selection area, you can see I can select 2019. So according to the pattern in 2019, we could have a pop higher on in June and then slowly grind lower for Bitcoin. All right. However, even though the chart saying we may have going to make a new high, current price action doesn't support that. Let me explain. So you can see Bitcoin already broken the support, the whatever the neckline you call it, because we had a head and shoulder pattern through here, shoulder, head, shoulder. You got a neckline around this 30k, so we could see it pop back to 30k area in the coming weeks, 1 week or two, and then perhaps I'll be looking to sell around this area. Good reward to risk back down to around the 25. And then I'll keep some, maybe even run into the 20k. So plan has not changed. Remember, I done a video last week how I managed to get in around the 21k and sold off at this area to 29k. If you'd like to find out more, I will put a card in here. You can see on the right corner to click into that video. Otherwise, I'll put it in the description to check out how I use technical trading system for crypto trading. All right. So plan has not changed on Bitcoin. I still want to be a seller on 30k back down to 25, eventually maybe 20k. At the end of the year, I might buy around the 20k area. Let's have a quick look on Ethereum. It's just not nice, you know, if we may see a little grind higher back to around the 2000 area, maybe 2100, but it hasn't got a clean sort of resistant area, so I'm not looking to sell Ethereum. Perhaps maybe below 1700 I will look to sell it, but no, I'm not bullish right now. I will be looking to buy end of the year. Do you agree with my plan? If not, please drop me a comment if you agree. Also, you can give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.